car news. It is Monday, the week is fresh, it is lovely outside, and of course, it is time for car news. So with that, let's get into it. For 2025, the Ford Bronco is ready to hit the beach with the new Coastal package. It has some new Coastal colors and some new white rims, but other than that, not really too much coming out of the Bronco. It's just nice to see that they're still updating it, as Bronco fans are more than happy to dish their cold hard dough for one. Colorado is also passing law to officially allow K-cars starting in 2027. Many people love K-cars, and especially in Colorado. Why? I don't really know. So I'm going to make my best try at making some sort of coherent argument as why Coloradans, people from Colorado like K-cars. So Colorado is a big state, and Colorado is like Oregon in that it's very flat, yeah, and sometimes mountainy. And so for the flatness, you want like a car that's really good for driving long distances, and K-cars are great for driving long distances. So there you go. Yeah, Colorado, exciting. K-cars are great. They shouldn't be banned, but maybe they should just make them again, but a little bit safer this time. Also, Hyundai is recalling a handful of 2025 Palisade SUVs due to fire risk. You know, they're really not helping the rumors with this one. When you think of Kia and when you think of Hyundai, everyone always thinks of car fires. That they're like the official car of, oh yeah, your car might spontaneously combust. And so it doesn't help that like every other month, one of their stupid, gigantic, frugly, I mean, look at that thing. It's just ugly. I mean, the wheels aren't, it's not that bad. You want to know what? Compared to the Santa Fe, I'll actually take that one. The Palisade's not that bad. But it doesn't help that every week there's a new fire risk for some sort of crappy car. Also, the Rivian R2 remains on track for a $45,000 price tag, despite the tariffs. That's what, a lot of headlines are about the tariffs. Oh, the tariffs. Just wait a year. Don't worry, I wouldn't buy a car, now. And also don't fall for the dealerships. They're like, buy a car right now. Don't do it. Just don't. Wait to buy a car. Either buy it right now. I said don't listen to the dealerships. Either buy it within, this week, or don't buy it for maybe 2 years, right? Also, Mercedes has teased a new aerodynamic AMG EV in some new photos that they've launched. It looks bad. It really does. I mean, it looks kind of cool, but at least there's a back window, because they cut it out, so we know that it has a back window, a rear window. We can kind of see the lines here, and it's a kind of, I'm guessing it's going to be a sports car of some kind, because that's kind of what this looks like. I don't like that. I don't like that gigantic, big, bulky line that's there. I'm wondering what they're going to do with that, or if this is just like a piece of cardboard that they cut out to put there. But yeah, the wheels also look terrible, but what can you expect? Also, a Ford employee apparently stole, guess what, millions of dollars worth of parts from Ford factories. This is ridiculous. The guy was just taking them home. He was just stealing Ford parts, and apparently then he sold them on eBay. I mean, yeah, this story, it's great. And of course, it's Detroit. Where else would it be from? Also, the Hyundai Alexio is a new eye-catching electric SUV for China. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. It looks fine. Would it do well in America? I guess so. But it's okay. I don't like how the windows are so small, and I don't like how they look so small. It looks very squinty. But I happen to not like it, but I think it'd do okay in the States if they were to bring it here, but they're almost never going to. In 2026, the Mercedes-Benz CLA EV will not be able to use 400-volt fast chargers. This is shocking. 400-volt is, it's fast charging, but most cars should be able to handle that, especially new ones coming out. I'm not saying most EVs, because a lot of the EVs are older, but any EV that's coming out of the factory right now that has been introduced within the past year should have that capability. This car does not. They're so bad. Really, they're just terrible. Mercedes-Benz EVs have always been bad, and I'm going to make a video about it. They're continuing to just be terrible. Also, Volvo has recalled 400,000 cars because they have bad backup cameras. I think also Polestar, they're kind of in that somewhere. Yeah, it's simple fix, but, pretty normal. Also, it apparently affects the Polestar too, because Volvo and Polestar are owned by the same people. Also, Tesla has a rear-wheel drive Model Y that starts at $46,000. So yeah, not much interesting. Is my contractor doing something? He's not supposed to be here, but then again, he doesn't know I'm here, so you never know. Anyway, it looks like the Toyota will reveal the new 2024 RAV4, the new 2026 RAV4 before May ends. They sent out this little screenshot, and I could point this out. Oh, well, the hood looks very sloped. It looks very boxy. It has a very boxy hood. The hood doesn't look like it slants a lot. The hood doesn't look like it slants very much, which means it's going to be another one of these big, gigantic SUVs. And we can see that the roof up there is much smaller than the fenders, which means it's going to have the wide, kicked-out fenders like most Toyotas have. I could do all that crap, but I'm not going to. Even though I just did. Also, the 2025 Porsche Taycan is the fastest of the mega EVs if you get the Turbo GT. Even though the Turbo is false, because it's an electric car. It doesn't have a turbo. But with that, thank you for watching Car News, and I will see you all